Drafting Ron J. Abarrientos aligns with Coach Tim Cone's strategic vision for Barangay Ginebra and Argilas Pilipinas national basketball team. Ron J's playmaking abilities and basketball IQ make him a perfect fit for the triangle offense, a system which Coach Tim Cone effectively used with the Flying A, Johnny Abarrientos. This move could revive the successful era under Johnny Abarrientos, blending nostalgia with strategic advantage. Ron J's versatility, honed with various leagues, suits the dynamic nature of the triangle offense, ensuring that PBA's Barangay Ginebra Gene Kings sustains success. Now, in my own opinion, Coach Timothy Cone or Coach Tim Cone is also grooming Ron J. Abarrientos on becoming one of our legitimate point guards for Gilas Pilipinas in the near future.